For the past 15 years, we have traveled the globe, creating content for some of the world's largest brands. Cameras have always been our icebreaker, a way to delve deep into great stories and experiences.
Oh, brother, I have tried.
Filmmaking and photography has been our passport to all 7 continents, creating uncountable lasting memories along the way.
There's a place where I am going. It's out of my control, so I'm gonna coast for a little while. Oh,
But this life of perpetual motion, of being on the road 10 months of the year, as amazing as it's been, has left us missing one thing: home. So in 2020, we found a solution. We bought ourselves a sailboat and decided to live aboard, converting it into a floating production company. A place where we can not only lay our head, but a platform that allows us to continue to explore and create films that are uniquely ours. We began our journey in Alaska, the last frontier. A place so dynamic in landscape and personality. The further we ventured, the more adventurous the stories became.
it's out of my control, so I'm gonna coast for a little while. It's out of my control, so I'm gonna coast for a little while.
We help people get on America's longest wave. Sitting here outside my house, I've been solar powered for 30 years.
Today we're going to go see a glacier in 3 inches of water at 60 miles an hour.
We invite you to follow along as we continue our journey, capturing stories of the great people, places, and cultures we meet along the way. Welcome to the Adventure Locker.
It's out of my control, so I'm gonna coast for a little